Good morning, our reviews crew. This is Spencer Pines here with another unbox. Today I'm taking a look at the Viori shampoo and conditioner bundle. This is the Hidden Waterfall bundle. In addition to this video, as always, there will be a more structured video review as well as a full written review, which will be available in the description below. This is just going to be my initial thoughts with the unboxing and just very unfiltered, unstructured. All my thoughts and opinions are my own. This is as unbiased as I can possibly be. And I'm going to go ahead and unbox this. This is like a, from what I've researched, this is shampoo and conditioner, but it's in a bar form instead of like a gel form. And before researching this, I didn't even know you could do that. The only shampoo and conditioner I'd ever used or even like seen has been in the goop that you squeeze out of the bottle. So this is going to be interesting to try out. I was looking at the ingredients and I did find that there was some, ooh, that is nice. I did find that there was some sulfates in the materials. Ooh, it smells really nice too. Which I'm not too excited about, but I'm still going to give this a shot. Ooh, but yeah, that smells really nice. Came in these things. Really solid presentation here. Got this little bamboo case there. Very nice design on there. I actually just cut my hair recently, so I'll be able to use less for this. Alright, there's some text on here. 100% vegan, natural and safe, sustainable, ethical buying, sulfate free. Hold on. Instructions here say methosulfates. Must be something different. I'll have to do some more research in that. It says sulfate free though. You don't want sulfates in any of your hair care products. But yeah, sulfate free, paraben free, plastic free, cruelty free. I do like how there's not any plastic in the packaging, because plastic pollution it's a problem. Something I discussed in my liquid death review. And they opted for aluminum cans. Alright, that slips off nicely. Oh, wow. Wow, that's beautiful. That's really nice. Oh yeah, got like holes on the bottom. So you can just like stick that in your shower, have it drain through there. Oh, wow. Oh yeah, that looks really nice. Like a little bloom going on there. There's the bar itself. Is it the conditioner or is it the shampoo? Probably going to use this shortly after this review, actually. Does not say. Oh, it says our shampoo benefits on here, so I assume this is the shampoo then. So the other one must be the conditioner. Yeah, really solid presentation. It actually closes up a lot nicer than I thought it would be, and then there's this little guy. Yeah, really impressed with the presentation. Yeah, and this is the conditioner. Musk scent. Got a lot of the same information on there. Doesn't come in as nice a little thing as the shampoo does, but yeah, I really like presentation it's got here. Very like, it's just very nice. It smells really nice too. Well, this one not as much, but the soap smells really good, or the shampoo. And yeah, I really like this little thing it came in. Much better than like a plastic bottle that you're going to put in the recycling, but it's not actually going to go in the recycling. I get into that in my liquid death review, but yeah, so I'll probably be using this shortly after this review, and I will film my results, and that's really it. Of course, like, comment, subscribe, do all that wonderful YouTube stuff. Let me know what you thought, if you've ever used this before. Any other products I can maybe take a look at, so thank you.